All right, welcome back to Plant Simple Projects. Today, we're gonna be taking this fan here in this box, putting it up here in this particular room on this house build, and walk through it. So first, we've got our mount up here with the electrical box. This is built for fans, so it's secured to the 2x4s that run across. So that's all taken care of. So as it shakes, it won't come apart. And we've got our wiring already ran for that, so it's all ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and put together this down here first, and as we do that, then we'll go ahead and put the fixtures up there. So this actually goes up first right here. This fits up in there. We run our screws through here, and those actually tie it into the electrical box. So we'll get started. All right, first step is done. Ran the screws up into the actual fixture there. Those are actually machine metal screws. And you tie up into that metal piece there. So we'll get that going for us. Just to remember, I run our grounding up into this section here. So we'll have to pull these back out a little bit so we can get up in there and tie that together. All right, next step is to run our fixture there, on there. And we'll get that. All right, as you can see, we went ahead and tied together those wires. The blue and the black for this particular light, because I'm not actually having a separate light switch, is tied to black, white's to white, and green is to the ground. That came in from that Romex connection. So anyway, this fit up inside here and it slid back. And I went ahead and, after I removed these, I reapplied those screws to connect that. So this just slides in and it comes back and it settles in. You'll see these little grooves here. It settles in there, and then you screw these back on. It ties it in. Now it turns freely. Support makes sure that it won't hit anything as it turns. And those cords need to be back up, and then those wires need to be back up in that thing. So now that we've got this on and it's secure, we'll go ahead and set the actual fan mount on here now. All right, as you can see, this is the fan mount. This fits up like this over that. See those two screws up there? Those will have to be removed, and then it'll be placed. This one here will be placed in the hole. This one will just be removed a little bit halfway, and then it will fit in this groove here, and then I'll slide like that, and then we'll secure that second one. There's also two on the other side that do the same thing, and that's how we'll affix this to the motor. Okay, now that that's fixed there, we got these two screws in there. Remove all these screws, and that's what we use to tie those brackets right there into this fan that turns. And then we'll also attach the other side of that to those fan blades. That's pretty simple, those are just screws. Okay, so went ahead and attach these. As you can see, there's screws on the back side, and there's actually usually like a little gasket, helps it from pushing too far into the blade here. Anyway, those are screwed back up in here. I find it's easier if I actually lift it with the screwdriver right here. Otherwise, it's a pain in the butt to get this thing to go in and then get it to twist and then put the screwdriver on there. So I kind of use the drill while putting it up in there, and then push that one in, then get the second one put up there once this thing's already kind of attached. Now we're gonna attach the other part here that's used to cover the light fixture cover in the light. So we'll do that now. Okay, as you can see, just about finished. Got this piece put up with the light bulb. The screws, you can see them right here, 3 of them. Placed back in there, no problem. So now, I'm gonna fit this bowl up here like this. And it just screws up like that. Oops. Guess I'm better pick the paper out, huh? Oh, let's do it. Okay, paper's out. Now we're good. So, same type of deal. That's it. That's all done. Now these up here, we'll go ahead and undo these. We'll attach the little draw pulls on them later. And first, we're going to test this, make sure it works. Thanks for watching.